Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a project in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into a project that we want to share. Let's say it's test 1 here. Then here we are presented with the task list that is affirmed to the project. From here we just have to go into the top right corner and tap on the 3 dots, and then we find the copy URL. If you tap on this, the URL that leads to this project is going to be copied to the clipboard, and then we can just enter another conversation on another app and just send this URL, and then the person that received it is going to be able to check out this project that we have. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.